Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. So turning on the Bluetooth is actually very simple. I'm just going to use the Windows 10, but the process is similar for Windows 11 too. So first of all, what you have to do is simply click on the start icon that you'll be able to see at the taskbar below. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various options. Over the gear icon, now you'll be able to find the option for settings. Simply click on it. Now wait for a while and settings will be opened. Now you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find various settings options over here. So by enabling the Bluetooth, you'll be able to establish wireless connections to various devices like headphones, mice, keyboards, game controllers, etc. So in order to turn it on, what you have to do is simply click on the devices option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to the device settings. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Bluetooth and other devices, printers and scanners, mouse, touchpad, typing, etc. Make sure Bluetooth and other devices is selected. In this interface, you'll be able to find the section for Bluetooth. Right now it is off, so simply toggle this button on. Now you can see over here Bluetooth has been turned on. Now it will be discoverable in other devices and you'll be able to pair other devices. So like this, you'll be able to turn on the Bluetooth. So that is how you turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.